Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2014 on a 14 reg wheelchair adapted Peugeot Partner Horizon with an allied conversion. Something a little bit different on this one. This is a petrol 1.6 rather than the normal 1.6 diesels that we keep in stock. The reason we've chosen to buy one of these is we get asked, or we've been asked quite a bit recently about having petrol vehicles, and there's not that many of them about, to be fair, because most of them are diesels. The reason being is the media are portraying that they're going to phase diesel out, etc, etc, when in fact what they don't tell you is it's not going to be until 2040. But some people still want the petrol engines, so to accommodate some of our customer base, we've gone out and bought one. So here it is, same specification as the diesel, so you've got your electric windows here and here, hazards all set out the same, your heater dials with your air conditioning, etc, and your radio CD player. It's a 5-speed manual. They don't do an automatic in the petrol engine, so if you are after a petrol, it will have to be a manual gearbox. As you'll see, it's in grade A condition, along with all of our other wheelchair access vehicles. We carry around 25 in stock, and as mentioned, they are predominantly diesel. It's just purely because that's the Motability market, which is where we buy our vehicles from. So still suitable for taxi drivers as well as private mobility users and care homes. And being a 2014, it's got the tripod conversion, so each of the rear seats here, they fold and tip out the way individually. So just for the video purposes, we can give you a full demonstration when you come and see us, or if we bring the vehicle to you. So just bear with me. Apologies if you see the strap of the camera, etc. So that's out of the way there. These are the legs of where the seat secures, bar here, when the seats are back down. So we take these out of the way here, and then if I walk around the back, you'll see the ramp is in its flat position, so can be used as a regular vehicle when the car, or the wheelchair space, sorry, is not required. So as I say, in a flat position there. This is the more modern ramp. So we pull the strap up like that, and then here you've got the lever to fold it flat. There you go. That's in its flat position. So as I say, pull that up like that, then simple, lower to ground, that comes out. A lot easier with two hands. But that's the ramp in its deployed position. Same configuration, as I say, this is what they call the tripod conversion. So you've got a 33-inch wide floor, which allows you to have 4 seats, so two in the front, 2 in the back, with a wheelchair, but obviously it does depend on size of chair. So if you've got the dimensions, give them to us, and we'll see whether it'll fit in there okay, or better still, if you pop along and see us or have a home demonstration, we can then check the wheelchair in there. So the same fixings. Got 2 manual ones at the back. That's the electric winch, and there's two belts, one on each side, that are electric. So they're operated by this switch here with a small LED light, which means then you can pull the belts out. We can do a full demonstration video if you require us to do so, but we will show you if you come along and see us or have a home demonstration, so don't worry too much about that. We're always here on hand to help you where we can. And so everything else is the same, barring that it's petrol, grade A condition, direct from Motability with a full main dealer service history. If you want to part exchange a vehicle and it doesn't happen to be wheelchair access, don't worry. We'll take any vehicle in and we'll give you the best price possible with different avenues that we can go down. So we can discuss that with you, either on the phone or in person when you come along and see us. If you're also looking for finance, you can apply for that directly on our website through Motornovo. Get an answer back within a few minutes. Also, you could also give us a call, 01634 716 911. We can send you through a quick quote and then you can upload your details at your leisure. And we never ever take any bank details. That's between you and the finance company. All very, very easy. And in fact, we can sell you a car without you seeing it until we deliver it. So whether it's finance, can all be done online. It's all very, very simple. Also now selling to overseas customers, to Ireland, Malta, Cyprus, and more recently Jersey. I understand the taxi drivers over there need to have wheelchair access vehicles. So if you want to give us a call, discuss any of the options or services that we provide you, 01634 716 911. Our website address to view this car or any of our other wheelchair access cars is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, or you can visit us in person at our branch in Wainscott, which is ME24RL, Cooling Road Service Station, Wainscott in Kent. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you soon.